Metro Vancouver's housing market has been hot for years, but a new forecast suggests we are going to see things change next year. Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver is joining us now with more. And Tyler, we've been noticing this change even this year. It's becoming more of a buyer's market. Is it going to continue that trend?
Well, that's what the Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation says in its latest forecast going into 2019 and 2020. It predicts that for Metro Vancouver, we're going to see higher inventories of homes for sale, as well as a lower number of sales. And for home buyers, it's going to be lower home prices as well, which I think a lot of people in Metro Vancouver have definitely been waiting on, especially first-time buyers. We even had data last week from the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver that revealed a 35% plunge in home sales across the region between September and October, and even some marginal price drops in some communities. So we're already seeing this unfold right now. The thing that I do want to point out is that the British Columbia economy has got itself in a bit of a quandary in that if you look at estimates from the Business Council of British Columbia, about 1/3 of our economy is tied to the real estate sector, be it in construction, mortgage brokers, real estate agents, what have you. So if we do see a downturn here in home sales, it is going to have an impact on the economy overall.
All right, and I understand you're also following a report about leadership within the BC Insurance Group facing allegations of fraud.
Yeah, it actually totals about $47 million, according to accusations from the BC Securities Commission, which is accusing the founders and directors of FS Financial Strategies, Frankie Lim and Scott Lowe, of creating a quote-unquote illusion of profitability from 2012 to 2017. They're alleged to have done this by opening new offices in rapid succession, holding extravagant parties, and telling customers that they plan to take the company public. And it's very notable about who they would have been targeting here. The provincial regulator claims that the pair told investors to expect interest payments of 10 to 12% paid monthly. But they failed to disclose that the company was actually not profitable. They were simply trying to raise money to stay afloat. I'll tell you this, the rule of thumb for any retail investors out there is that 10 to 12% interest payments paid monthly, it's just not realistic. So we have a number of other officers named by the regulator here, and there is a hearing scheduled for all of them beginning on December 4th.
All right, we will see what happens with that. Certainly is a lot of money. Tyler, thanks so much.
Thank you, Sonia.